Okay, if you drive anything big, like an SUV or an RV or any kind of heavy equipment, this is definitely something you want to have. This is the eRapta magnetic backup camera. We didn't have to wire this. We didn't have to drill anything. It literally just plugs into your lighter compartment. Literally, they just stick on with these magnets. And these things are strong, okay? I don't want to break it. I can do this. Okay. Okay. You just had to twist them off. These are very powerful magnets, okay? They're not going to fall off. And then this can secure to your dash with the thing, or you can bracket it on if you want it to be more permanent. It comes with this 10-inch screen that you just plug in with your lighter socket, or if you want to hardwire it in and leave it there permanently, you can do that too. We like to take ours and move it from vehicle to tractor because our old tractor doesn't have a backup camera, and my husband is very paranoid that he's going to run something or somebody over with that tractor. The view is really wide. It's about 150 degrees, so you can see behind you when you're backing up big vehicles, or my husband likes to put these on the back of the trailer so he can actually see what he's pulling and if he's backing up the trailer and who's behind him, because you can actually use both of these at the same time. Charging is easy. The battery lasts a few days with regular use, but it also charges with USB-C. It comes with 2 of these so that you can plug them both in. We just throw it on the charger when we don't use it. And I have one camera set up on top of my car and one set up on the back of my car. You can channel through to where you only see one camera or the other, and it actually has your little backup monitors here if you want that, and then you can have both going at the same time. You can increase or decrease the brightness. So you have a menu here where you can pair another camera if you wanted to. You've got pictures you can take. You've got a different setting for mode. You have the system set up here, the P line that you can take out, recording, and then you've got a play button for anything you've recorded. And then it just shows you the different screens. And if you got a third camera, you could do that in different places, or a fourth camera. It even has night vision. It's not HD quality in total darkness, but you can definitely see what's going on back there. So whether you're hauling kids or hauling dirt, this camera works for both. If you're tired of guessing what's behind you, or you're needing to switch this between vehicles or tractors, this thing is totally worth it. I'm going to put the link for this setup down in the description below.